We are celebrating what one would say furthering the development of the people of DRC, ensuring that energy becomes a basic right, as we say in the slogan, energy for all, ensuring every household access energy affordably, conveniently, and in a manner that it can contribute to enhancement of their quality of life.
Together, we can open something which is new. We transfer skill to people just to have something in mind. We have more or less the same number of people less than 20 years in Congo than in Europe.